Alright, next I got to get the harmonic balancer off. So I got this kit from Advanced Auto Parts. $121, but it is a rental. All I need to do is bring it back, and it won't cost me anything. I was able to obtain this information from a guy named Dennis Drescher on YouTube. We're going to use the big sucker. And that guy right there. There's our guy right there. Hopefully in the next video he'll be gone. Alright, the harmonic balancer is still there. It's been, well, I don't know, 8, 10, 12, however many hours. Puller did not work. It was not the right puller. So, got to order the puller. I found it online, and I have to order it. What I really need is a UPS man to pull up and bring me my harmonic balancer pulley. I'll be damned. That's a UPS man. He got my harmonic balancer pulley. Alright, so there goes the UPS man, and brand new for you, right here is a box with my harmonic balancer pulley, so I can go to war with this guy right there. It's you and me, pulley. You and me. Or is that you and I? It's you and I. Well, as I mentioned in the other video, the AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts was not right for me because it didn't have this longest rod. And I'm happy to say that this says GM 2000 and later Gen 3 trucks and SUVs with a 5.3 liter V8 is on the list. Alright, I ain't no mechanic and I don't know nothing about nothing, but I will say that the advanced kit, the longest one was this 5-incher. It came with the two shortest ones. This one comes with one that's 7 inches. So that one's 6 inches, 5, and 4. So that's how long these rods come. So I'm going to go find out whether size matters or not. Alright, so there's the balancer pulley. Turn this thing around by hand. Make sure all three are on there good. All three look like they're on there good. Tighten it down by hand as much as I can. And hit it with some air. Maybe. Maybe. Alright. And let's see how this goes. No, they flew off. They flew off. Enough with the fucking stupid video. Well, I gotta say it. If you got one of these, or anything that's got one of those in it, that guy right there, made by a company called OTC, is the trick. So that plus that equals that. It's off. I can't believe how long I was working on it the other day. But with the right tools, the thing came off in under 5 minutes. So, good deal.